Good day everyone! So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you the different patterns in nature. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. Let's start!
Did you know that patterns can be found anywhere? Yes, patterns are not only created by humans, but it naturally exists in nature. Come and join me and I'll show you some of its examples. Do you want to know what is pattern? Patterns are visible regularities of form found in the natural world. It makes our environment even more beautiful and remarkable.
Patterns also has its different types. We have symmetry, spiral, meanders, fractals, waves, foam, stripes, cracks, and tessellation. Let's explore more about today and see what it looks like. Wow, our nature is indeed full of static patterns, and by knowing these different patterns in nature, we can be able to understand and value the place where we live. So that's it for today's video. I hope this vlog made you appreciate the beauty of our nature. See you in my next vlog. Sending you guys loves and kisses. Bye bye!